birthday. Sana masaya ka sa iyong celebration. I know ayaw mo nito at talagang hate na hate mo yung idea, but napilit kita. At ngayon nakikita ko naman na napakasaya mo, and I know that yung mapagsama-sama mo yung family mo ay talagang dream come true mo. So, hopefully, napasaya ka namin. We love you so much, babe. You deserve all the best in the world kasi napakabuti ng puso mo. And I'm very proud of you sa kung ano ka man kayo. And sana marami ka pang matulungan na tao, marami ka pang mapasaya. And tandaan mo, kahit anong mangyari, kasangga mo ako. I love you.
Hi Tatay, I want to wish you a happy 50th birthday, and I wish you many more years to come. And I want to thank you for being such an amazing father to me and always being there to support me whenever I need it. And you always put others before yourself, and that's one thing I really love about you. So I hope you have a very blessed and happy birthday today, and I hope you enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya! At salamat sa lahat ng magagandang alaala ng ating kabataan. Sana ay pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon for another 50 years. And enjoy your celebration. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Resty! Sana maging malusog ka at tumaba pa ang iyong buhay at marami pang kaarawan dumating sa iyo at alagaan mo ang iyong pamilya. Mahal namin ikaw, Resty. Sana huwag kang magbago sa amin at mahalin mo ang iyong pamilya. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Resty, from your sister-in-law. I wish you more happiness in life, good health, and more years to come. Thank you for loving us as your family. We love you too. Happy birthday!
speechless po. Maraming salamat. Sobrang saya po po. Nasa inyo po. Sa pagdalo. Maraming salamat.